So we noticed our electric bill is running higher this year, but I know I did not change my tank in the Aprilaire humidifier. This does run on 220. It's actually telling me we need to service it. Okay, I think that's based on time of run, run time, or maybe its own amp draw. I gotta read up on that, I can't remember. But we're going to pull the canister out of here, put a new canister in. So I'm assuming if the canister is all full of calcium and deposits, especially around the electrode rods, it's not going to obviously steam as fast. So, which is then gonna run longer and run up my electric bill. So I'm gonna take it apart and see how dirty it is. And we're gonna put in, I've got a new one here. So Model 80. So steam canister. So we'll see the difference between the old and new. I'll start taking it apart. Looks like it's pretty gross and full of calcium. So these are our two electrodes, and I believe this is our water sensor, so it tells it where to fill up to. So maybe we'll pull it out, maybe cut it apart and see what's going on. I have another old one that I changed 2 years ago. Actually cut that one open. No, it doesn't matter either one. Alright, so let's plug that. Plug that one. Plug that one. Side. It's tough to film all this with left hand. Alright, so we just lifted it up, pulled it out the bottom first, and then we'll pull it out the top. It's still a little warm. Didn't let it cool off very long. Alright, so there we go. There's the old one. Let's see. Yeah, it sounds like it's full of calcium. Sure, it has some water in it. It's pretty heavy. Get the new one and install it. Okay, so here's our new steam canister. Sorry for the jerky motion here. Smoother. Canister. There's our old canister. Let's see. We also get new gasket. So this gasket goes right down in here. Yeah, you can see a little difference between the old and the new. So get the new one in, and maybe we'll cut this old one apart. See how calcified up it actually is. gasket. Let's get the old one out of here, out of position. There's a little groove in there. Oh, yeah, there's a bunch of calcium down in the bottom there. I don't think that's draining out correctly. You see what it'll take to clean that out. Well, the solenoid valve isn't open right now either. Maybe I'll get a vacuum, suck all that nasty out, just to make sure we're clear. So that line's clear. Okay, got that all cleaned out down there. Put the gasket in there. There we go. Let's get our tank. Put the date on there so we can keep track of that. Let's see if we can get this in one-handed. There we go, fully seated. That's all set up there. Our hose clamp back. Alright, so we got the hose clamp tightened. Our electrodes just slide up and over. There's the pin. And there. Alright. Put our front cover back on. Tough to do this one-handed. Line up our little hooks on the top there. There we go. Make sure our screw lines up. There's a screwdriver. That's it. Alright. Okay. We're filling. As soon as it fills, it'll begin to steam. Of course, when it needs to drain, it'll show that. It drains hot water, flushes cold water with it, so we don't send super hot water down the drain. And helps flush that calcium out of the container. So, next, let's cut this puppy open. See what it looks like on the inside. Alright, so we're gonna just cut this puppy open. Alright, so here we go. We are full of calcium. Got these plates in here, which I think these are supposed to be screens. So water actually flows through them. I don't believe they're solid. see where the electrode attaches to the rod coming down to these screens. Well, of course, that's energy is transferred. Electricity is transferred in between here, and then causes the water to boil and go up through that center hole, and then be delivered into your home. So there's the one probe. There's the other probe for electricity. And then this in the middle here is your water sensor, which you can see that's, I can't get any closer. That's pretty calcified up too. So, beating on this thing with a hammer. You can see this is the electrode, and this was the original screen. Of course, power is transferring through all of this from here through the water to this one. And this just completely calcifies up. Now, this is only a year old, so I don't know how quickly it did that, or what we can do to maybe prevent that. Because I think that's why my electric bill went way up, is this is was not working to capacity. That's for sure. So, interesting. All right, guys, got any questions? Let me know. Like, subscribe. Talk to you later.